What's happening, boys and girls? Guess what I have here? A thermostat housing made out of aluminum. Comes with a seal. Get rid of that plastic thermostat housing in your P1 and P3 Volvos. S40s, S60s, V50s, XC60s. These cars from like 2005, some of them as high as 2016. They use a plastic thermostat housing. They highly discourage you just replacing the thermostat. They want you to replace the whole housing because the housing sooner or later is going to crack, overheat the car, destroy the engine. Those thermostat housings with the thermostat in them cost anywhere from $100 to $125. For $80, somewhere around there, you can get this aluminum thermostat housing, and this will be the last thermostat housing you have to mount on the car. Take this thing, mount this on the car. From then on, all you got to replace is the thermostat. You get the thermostat from Volvo. Thermostats are $20-25. You can get them from other places as well. However, I strongly encourage people to get the Volvo thermostats. We know they're the right size. We know they work right. I've never seen a Volvo thermostat stuck closed. Some people get these aftermarket thermostats. They're not the right size. They're too big. They jam in the housing. Anyway, aluminum thermostat housing. Get rid of that plastic stuff. This thing, mount it to the engine, plug in your hose, hook up your two hoses, and you're good to go. After that, you just replace the thermostat whenever the thermostat starts going bad. Put that thing in there, put your 3 bolts in. Good to go. So, contact Swedish Car Parts, get your order. They may sell thermostats. I'm not 100% sure. I was just extremely surprised to see an aluminum thermostat housing. They shelled out the bucks to get this part made because they're committed to the brand. So there you have it. Thermostat housing, aluminum, S40s, C30s, S60s, V50s, all those P1 and P3 cars. So get it here first. Nice part. Just add your thermostat from now on. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.